How to change the app grid layout for your Google Pixel phone with Android 15. To change the app's grid layout after the Android 15, go ahead and long press a blank area on your home screen like this here, and you'll see wallpaper and style right there. Once you go here, just make sure you're under the home screen tab over here. And when you're in the home screen area, go down a little bit past all this and you'll see app grid. Once you tap on it, this will show up for you and you can see that the lower the numbers are, the bigger the icons will be. So for example, you'll have huge apps. If you switch to these here, the 3x3, the 4x4, the 5x5, or whatnot, okay? And as you make the changes there, they will appear. Just give it some time to process and it'll show up how much smaller they are based on the numbers that you choose, or how much bigger they are based on the numbers that you choose. And that's that. Like and sub.